Get SBLC to purchase construction equipment. If you are looking to expand your business or need more equipment to respond to a major new contract, you can make use of standby letter of credit to proceed with the purchase of construction equipment. With the SBLC, you can give payment assurance to your supplier and purchase the required equipment on a credit basis. Unlike banks, we will not ask for 100% cash margin to proceed with the issuance of SBLC. With us, you can get the SBLC at zero collateral in 2 days. We are the genuine SBLC providers in Dubai by having our own bank facilities available with European bank accounts. Click here to submit your SBLC requirements and check whether you are eligible to get SBLC from us. If you are eligible, our team will get back to you with a free quote along with the SBLC proposal in 24 hours. For more info, email us support@importletteroffcredit.com. Call us 9714551969. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.importletteroffcredit.com.